Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Katie Nichols, work for the MITRE Corporation, joined by my colleague Adam Pennington for turning intelligence into action with MITRE ATT&CK. So what we found is we go around and talk to a lot of people about ATT&CK. They've maybe heard of it. So we'll be going over what it is and, of course, as the title suggests, how you can put it into action.
So if you haven't heard of MITRE, we're a not-for-profit who's been doing research, engineering, and generally working in the public interest for over the last 60 years. So, we've put out a number of things like ATT&CK and other efforts that are out in the wild. Since everyone's not sort of at the same level, I am going to get into a little bit of the basics of ATT&CK and talk through sort of how it's structured. We're then going to get into working with it with threat intelligence, talking about how you can work with some of your own data in it, a lot of the biases around some of the data we've added, how to work with them, and then what you might be able to do with it for recommending to your defenders. So start with, what is ATT&CK? At the end of the day, it is a knowledge base of adversary behavior. It's like an encyclopedia getting into different things that actors do largely after they break into an enterprise system.